Have you ever overcharged a foreigner? Have you heard stories about, taxi drivers overcharging foreigners? Do you have any message to those who overcharge foreigners? I'm just curious, are you single or in a relationship?
No, I'm single since then, and I'm no relation.
No kids?
I have 3.
Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. Do Filipinos overcharge foreigners? Well, we will take this question to the streets and ask Filipinos themselves. So, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. Ate, have you ever had a foreigner customer?
Yes, many.
Many. Ate, can you show us like what you sell?
We're selling of imported meats from different countries, like pork, imported chicken, and beef.
Oh, wow. Okay. Are they cheap ate or expensive?
They're more much cheaper than the fresh one.
Oh, really? Wow. This is the first time that I heard that it's cheaper than, like the local meat.
The local meats, because nowadays our economic is very down here, so our people is very hard to buy foods for our family, right?
Afford meat.
Yeah.
Okay. Ate, my question is, have you ever overcharged a foreigner?
No, it's not. We're not.
Why?
We're not doing that because why we're going to do that? We're good people. So we're not.
Honest people.
Yes, we're honest people.
Kuya, have you ever overcharged a foreigner? Nag-agad ka na ba ning masalangkaw na price kang, halimbawa ba ang price kang tricycle is 50 tapos ang hinagad mo sa foreigner 100? Ginibo mo na ba ito dati? Yes or no?
No.
No, okay. So why kuya, why no?
Ako kayang driver, parehas ako lumaban. Parehas ako na gusto ko magbanyaga man o Pilipino, dapat parehas. Dahil ka pwede mag-over sa imo ang balikayan.
So kuya says that he's a driver that is fair. Whether he is foreigner or Filipino, kuya is being fair because there's karma, right kuya?
Oo.
Ate, have you ever overcharged a foreigner?
Dai, pabalik-balik man din nga ni Sinda nagpabakal digdiyo. Kasi patas na laban lang kaya kami.
So ate says no, and then foreigners tend to come here often. Yes, they come here often, and then the ate says that she's fair. Actually, people here, right? She said that everyone here are fair. Kuya, how long have you been a taxi driver? Gaano ka nakatagal na driver, kuya?
More na tapos na 10 years, ganyan.
Okay, more than 10 years. Wow. Kuya, have you ever had a foreigner customer? Nagkagawa ka ba ng foreigner
Yes,
customer?
I have.
Yes. A lot, kuya?
Oh,
So, okay, so he had a lot of foreigner customers. Okay, kuya, have you ever overcharged a foreigner? Yes or no?
no ma'am. No,
Why, kuya?
because dapat yung tama lang na bayad. It depend passenger if he gives a
Tip.
tip like that.
Okay. So, kuya says that it should be the right amount and it depends to the passenger if he or she is going to give extra or tip. Ate, have you ever had a foreigner customer? Nagkaigo ka na ba ng foreigner customer?
Wala naman.
Said yes. Ate, have you ever overcharge a foreigner? Na-overcharge mo na ba yung foreigner na customer?
Dai.
No. Why, ate?
Dito sobra man lang na mapaglamang man yan. Pag sisingilon mong sobra, dapat si tama lang.
Okay, she said it's too much. So, she always asks for the right amount. Right, ate?
Yes.
In your opinion, do you think Filipinos overcharge foreigners?
I guess or I think not all. Not all in a way kasi most most of the Filipinos, they are quoted as being hospitable, being kind, polite. So let's say na yung act ng isang tao when it comes on that specific scenario, kumbaga hindi siya applicable sa lahat. So I still believe na yung mga Filipino is they are respecting the other as a human person. Sabi na lang natin as a human person kasi syempre tao din like foreigner or something. So yep, I believe that um or I honestly believe na yung specific scenario is hindi siya it doesn't apply to all kasi we still respect the foreigners the way that they are respecting ours.
So you believe that there are still honest people out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of honest people out there. So let's say na sa range of 1 to 10. So yung 9% doon or yung 9.99% doon are honest. Kasi hindi naman talaga mawawala na may mga tao talagang will take advantage, especially kapag hindi aware yung foreigners when it comes sa culture or sa living dito sa Philippines. But I still believe that there are a lot of Filipinos that are still hospitable and will definitely show the love to the foreigners the way that they should be welcome sa country natin.
Okay, by being honest, right? Okay, so out of 10, 9.9 honest people. They're gonna ask for the right amount.
Exactly.
I'm just curious, ate, are you single or in a relationship?
No, I'm single since then, and I'm no relation.
No kids?
I have 3.
3. Ate is mom is a business owner. She owns this place.
I own it.
She's very good. How old are you, ate?
More than 50?
You don't look like you're 50 years old.
50. Yes, honestly, I am 50, more up.
Do you have any message to those who overcharge foreigners? May message ka ba naman sa mga driver na overcharge sa mga foreigners?
Ang message ko siguro, dawa sa sobrang pagsakit ngunyan, lalo ngunyan, daiman i-overcharge, gibuhon ang gabos para may maiuli sa pamilya bako sa sobrang pamasahe.
Kuya says that even, life is so hard. You should be fair. Don't overcharge foreigners because, the money that you're going to bring to your family, it's good when, it's not from like being like overcharging foreigners. Do you have any message to those who are overcharging foreigners?
Ay din no comment ako diyan kasi may kanya-kanyang ano din kami. Kanya-kanyang kumbaga diskarte sa buhay.
Okay, so she said that she doesn't have comment for that because everyone is like different. They do theirs differently, like
Kanya-kanya
that.
na lang yan.
Yeah, everyone is different. Do you know anyone who is overcharging, foreigners? May kamibid ka ba? Dayo man kay po na pangalan.
Diamond po. Dahil ko po, no.
No. So he doesn't know anyone. But kuya, have you heard stories about, taxi drivers overcharging foreigners? Nakadam ko ba ning istorya? Let's say digi sa Pilipinas, ning mga taxi driver nag-overcharge sa
It depende na po sa driver. Kung magibusin da kayo.
Yes or no, kuya?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Kuya says yes, he heard stories about that, but it really depends on the taxi driver, right, kuya?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Kuya, last one. What is your message to those taxi drivers overcharging foreigners?
Dapat gibon ito. Tama lang na ko yan. Dahil magsingil ning overcharge. Kung depende na sa pasayro, kung magtip okay lang.
Okay. So kuya says, ask for the right amount. Don't overcharge. It all depends on the passengers if they're going to give you extra. But don't ask for or don't overcharge them.
Yes. Okay.
Ate, do you have any message for those who overcharge foreigners? May message ka ba naman sa mga nag-overcharge?
Pero dapat si binabakalan nila dahil man pag sobrahaning singil tanganing dawa parupa dawa bago mga dayo lang to. Ano man sinda sa budget. Tong tama lang ko ta para dahil man sinda na masabi kanyang Pilipinas sobra-sobra magsingil sa o sita.
Okay, so Ate says that they should ask for the right amount, not overcharge them because, who knows, they also have budget for their, vacation here or for their travels here. And then they're gonna think that, Filipinos, they always tend to overcharge foreigners.
Dili magayon lang mga istorya ay gina. Okay man ko ta digdi arong lang ganang pusto.
Okay, so she added that it's good to hear from other people, especially foreigners, that they will say that, oh, Filipinos are good, they not overcharge foreigners like that, right? That good stories, not like that, like overcharging them. Do you have any message to those who are overcharging foreigners?
So I guess my message is that um taking advantage by the foreigners, it doesn't do a lot of things. So kumbaga maging totoo ka. Just be true to the foreigners. And actually the foreigners, they come here because they appreciate our country. They love Philippines. So why do something that might hurt them?
May we know what's your course?
I am studying BS entrepreneurship, more on business.
Wow, that's why you're smart. You're speaking like, smart person.
Probably actually I work as a call center agent during at night, so probably it helps.
Working student.
Yep, a working student.
I love that. Okay, thank you so much. Salamat.